Start. So welcome to TMO Finals warm up. So these questions are from the mock exam that has been in your exam platform. This is in preparation for your finals next week. Once again, turn off your microphone. Sorry, it's HQMO. Sorry. It's HQMO. So HQMO finals mock exam. This is for HQMO finals. I'm sorry. All right, let's start. Question number one. According to the pattern shown below, what is the number in the blank? According to the pattern shown below, what is the number in the blank? So we try to analyze the pattern. We have six, 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 and six. So it would
The
follow that
answer is 37.
okay, so please don't interrupt me while I'm
Hmm?
explaining. Okay? If you
Oh,
want to answer it, just
Okay.
type it in the chat box. So that's
nag-phone
6. Or
Ha?
31 plus
May
6
ganda yung
is
video.
37. That is the answer. So this is just an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 6. Number 2. Tomorrow will be Friday. Which day of the week will 20 days later be? So if tomorrow is a Friday, today would be Thursday. So 20 days after Thursday would be, you just need to divide 20 by the number of days in a week. You will get 2, remainder 6.
No.
So this means 2 weeks and 6 days after Thursday. 2 weeks after Thursday is Thursday. So you just need to get 6 days after Thursday, which is Wednesday. Okay, give me 1 minute.
Okay. Wednesday.
All right, number 3. The age of Sammy 5 years ago is equal to the age of Joseph 9 years ago. So what you need to do here is you need to establish, you need to write a a mathematical sentence based on the statements given. So Sammy 5 years ago, so that would be Sammy minus 5, is equal to Joseph 9 years ago. So that's Joseph minus 9 years ago. Now, how old is Sammy when Joseph is 23? So you just need to replace Joseph with 23. So you will have Sammy minus 5 is equal to 23 minus 9. Sammy minus 5 is equal to 14. Therefore, Sammy is 19 years old. Number 4. A tree is planted every 12 meters in a street from one end. There are 10 trees on the street on one side. How long in meters is the street? Okay, so the 12 meters here is just the interval from one tree to another. So in order for you to get the number of trees, I mean the total distance from the first tree, it's your first, to your 10th tree, you just need to subtract 10 minus 1, which is 9, and then multiply that to the distance between the two trees. So the answer is 108 meters. Next, number 5. According to the pattern shown below, how many these symbols more than arrows are there in the 115th group? So let's try to observe the pattern. On the first group, you have one circle and then 0 arrows. So the difference, 1 minus 0, is 1. For the second group, you have 4 circles minus 1 arrow. The difference is 3. For the third group, you have 5 circles and 4 arrows. The answer is 1. For the fourth group, you have 8 circles and then 5 arrows. The difference is 3. As you can see, the differences will just create a pattern, 1, 3, 1, 3, and so on. Now, you are asked to find for the number of the difference in the 115th group. Now, if you observe, for every odd term, the first, the third, the fifth, and so on, the difference is 1. For every even term, the second, the fourth, the sixth, and so on, the difference is 3. Now, since you are asked for 115th group, which is an even number, therefore the difference is 1. Do you understand?
Yes.
Just do a thumbs up if you do understand.
Yes. For the people who just
Next, number 6. Within 1 month, at most, how many dates are even numbers? So this is easy. There are 31 days at most in a month. Divide that by 2 because you only have odd and even dates. That's 15, remainder 1. So the answer is 15. Let's proceed now to arithmetic. Okay, before we proceed to arithmetic, I want you to get your pen and your paper, and then let's do some sample problems. Now, you listen carefully. If you have an answer, message your answer in the chat box privately. You understand?
yes.
Chatted to
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Chatted to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Said you just, it's what I've said. You just need to do a thumbs up. You don't need to turn on your microphone.
What is the question?
Just wait. I'm still preparing it. Here, 12. All right. Who- Can you you check your answers, okay? You check your own answer.
Yes, I'm finished.
Okay. So according to the pattern shown below, how many stars or asterisks are there in the 99th group? So as you can see on the first group, you have that's 1. On the second group, we have 2 plus 1. On the third group, you have 3 plus 2. On the fourth group, that's 4 plus 3. So it follows that on the 99th group, that is just 99 plus 98. 99 plus 98, that is 197. Good job. Next, answer this. This one, go. I thought you don't.
I have a question po.
Later. All right, check your answers. 10 years ago, Andy was 14 years old. So 10 years ago, Andy was 14. So Andy minus 10 years ago is 14. So Andy is 24 years old now. Andrea is 15 years younger than Andy. How old is Andrea now? So that's just 24 minus 15 years younger. That would be 9. So Andrea is 9 years old. Yes, Briella, do you have a question?
Earlier I had a question because I was confused. Like the 10 years ago when Andrea was 15 years younger than Andy. I was just confused. But I got the answer 9 too.
All right, let's continue with arithmetic. You listen. Find the value of 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 45 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27. Okay. Now, what we'll do here is grouping. We group the numbers in such a way that we'll have numbers that are much easier to add or subtract or to operate with. 13 will be paired with 27. So 13 plus 27 is 13 plus 27. 15 will be paired with 25. So 15 and 25. 17 will be paired with 23. 19 will be paired with 21. Plus the remaining 45 that doesn't have a pair. 13 plus 27, that's 40. 15 plus 25, that's 40. 17 plus 23, that's 40. 19 plus 21, that's 40. Plus the remaining 45. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 times 4 is 160. So 160 plus the remaining 45, the answer is 205. Very easy. Number 8. Find the value of 29 times 33 plus 67 times 29. So 29 times 33 plus 67 times 29. As you can see, both numbers are being multiplied to 29. So 29 is a common factor. When we have a common factor, we can factor out that number And then, so if we remove 29 and 29, you will be left with 33 plus 67. So you will have 29 times 33 plus 67 is 100. Therefore, the final answer is 2,900. Very easy. Number 9. Find the value of 2 times 5 times 4 times 25 divided by 1,000. 2 times 5 times 4 times 25 divided by 1,000. It's very easy. You put all multiplications on the numerator, and then you put all the division sa denominator. When you multiply first, you will get 1,000. The product of this is 1,000. So 1,000 divided by 1,000 is just 1. Number 10. Find the value of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 until minus 18 plus 19 minus 20 plus 21. Okay. For this problem, first, we need to rewrite this backwards, starting from 21. So you have 21 minus 20. Always follow the sign before the number. Plus 19 minus 18 plus 17 minus 16. That is until 7 minus 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Now, the question is, how will we do this? So we just pair them up. 21 minus 20, that's 1. 19 minus 18, that's 1. 17 minus 16, that's 1. 15 minus 14 is 1. 13 minus 12 is 1. 11 minus 10 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus 1 that doesn't have a pair. So how many ones do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Do you understand? Just do a thumbs up.
Yes.
Understand.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I'm
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to number 11. Find the value of 240 divided by 8 plus 320 divided by 4 plus 400 divided by 10. So you can just solve for this. By following MDAS, you divide first before you add. So 240 divided by 8 is 30. 320 divided by 4 is 80. 400 divided by 10 is 40. Please mute your microphone. So when you add 30 plus 80 plus 40, you will get 150. So we just need to follow MDAS in this problem. Next, number 12. Find the value of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus ... until 28. So by observation, this is an arithmetic sequence, right? To get the sum of an arithmetic sequence, You just need to get the average times the number of terms. The average, to solve for the average, that is just the last term plus the first term divided by 2. To solve for the number of terms, that is just the last term minus the first term divided by the common difference in the arithmetic sequence, and then plus 1. So let's get the average for this arithmetic sequence. The average is the last term, 28, plus the first term, 2, divided by 2. That is 30 divided by 2, 15. That is your average. To get the number of terms, last term, 28, first term, 2. Common difference is, the difference here is 2, the difference here is 2, so the common difference is 2. So 2 plus 1. 28 minus 2 is 26 divided by 2 plus 1. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Plus 1, you will get 14. Finally, to get the sum, that is just 15 average times the number of terms 14, which is 210. Understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, coach.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now get your pen and your paper, and then answer these problems. For a while. This one, go.
One.
It's the same. It's the same thing. It's the same po,
Oh,
teacher.
I got it. Yeah, the same.
Oh, I get. Ten. It's 10. 10. Borosius.
What did I say? I said use chat your answers in the chat box privately, not to everybody. Please follow instructions. All right, check your answers. So as what we did earlier, we need to write this backwards. 18 minus 16 plus 14 minus 12 plus 10 minus 8 plus 6 minus 4 plus 2. This is 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So you have 5 twos. That's 10. Very good. How about this problem? Go solve. Okay. Please mind the changes. I changed something. Go. All right, check your answers. Let's listen. So, as what we have discussed, the sum is equal to the average times the number of terms. Average is just the last term plus the first term divided by 2. So you have 49 over 2. I'll just leave it at that. Now for the number of terms, you have 47 ay, minus 2 divided by the common difference is 3 plus 1, you have 16. So that is just 49 over 2 times 16, or that is just 49 times 8. 49 times 8, the final answer is 392. All right, let's now proceed to number theory. Define the operation symbol A operation B is A plus B plus 2 times A. Find the value of 3 operation 2 parenthesis operation 4. So what we need to do here is start with 3 operation 2. So that would be 3 plus 2 plus 2 times 3, or that's 5 plus 6, which is 11. So the value of this entire thing is 11. So you have 11 operation 4. So that would be 11 plus 4 plus 2 times 11. That's just 15 plus 22. The answer is 37. So in this problem, what you need to do is just substitute the value of A and B. Just replace A and B with the numbers given. Very easy. Number 14. Amy and John have 100 peanuts in total. John has 22 peanuts more than Amy. How many peanuts does Amy have? So Amy plus John, that's 100. According to the problem, John has 22 more. So John is actually Amy plus 22, right? Now,
Yes.
this John here is the same as this John here. So I can replace that with the value of John, which is Amy plus 22 equals 100. So Amy plus Amy, so dalawang Amy, is equal to 100 minus 22. So Amy, 2 times Amy, kasi dalawa, equals 78. So kung dalawang Amy is 78, ilan yung isang Amy? So Amy would be 78 divided by 2. Or Amy is 39.
Can you show the number 30 again?
Number 13, why?
Can I go to the toilet? Because
Yes,
I
Marie.
want to look at the question again.
Excuse me, teacher.
Okay. Yes.
Isn't it supposed to be 44? Because I minus 100 by 22 and then I divided 88 by 2.
Oh, 88.
Thank
100
you.
minus 2 is not 88. You do it again.
22.
78, bro.
100 minus 22 is not 88.
What
Alright.
is 78? Because there's a minus 10. 78. What do you think?
Okay. Let's proceed to number 15. The numbers below follow the arithmetic sequence. What is the value of the 100th term? So 100th term. So in arithmetic sequences, to get the nth term, we just need the first term plus
607.
this one. Please turn off your microphone. I told you not to disrupt me when I'm explaining so that your class can hear me well. N minus 1 times the common difference. So the nth term, so meaning the 100th term, is just the first term 13 plus 100 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 6. So that is just 13 plus 99 times 6. We have 607.
Coach,
Yes?
someone kept spamming the Vietnam flag in
Ignore.
the chat.
Just ignore. Number 16. What is the largest three-digit even number? This is very easy. 998. No need explanation, right?
Yes, teacher, that was very yes.
Okay.
So
Next, numbers.
easy.
The sum of five consecutive numbers is 50. Find the value of the smallest number among all numbers. So what you need to do here is get the total, 50, divide it by the how many numbers are consecutive. You have 10. So out of the five numbers, 10 here is the middle number. So the numbers are 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the greatest is 12. And the smallest is 8. Since you're asked for the smallest, the final answer is 8. Okay, reminder, these students from Vietnam, what are you doing? If I see one more flag being sent in the chat box, I will kick you out of the meeting.
Yes.
So these people, these students who are spamming in the chat box, I will kick you out of the meeting if you won't stop. Respect your classmates.
They won't stop for.
Okay, let's continue. Number 18, Amy and John have 150 peanuts in total. So Amy plus John equals 150. According to the problem, John has 2 times the amount of peanuts of Amy. How many peanuts does John have? All right. So this John here is the same as this John. So we can replace that with the value of John, which is 2 times Amy. So Amy plus 2 times Amy equals 150. So Amy plus 2 Amy's, that would be 3 Amy's equals 150. Now, to get the number of peanuts of Amy, that's just 150 divided by 3. So Amy is 50. Now, you are asked for the number of peanuts of John. According to the problem, John is twice of Amy. So that would be 2 times 50. The answer is 100. Very easy. Do you understand?
Yes, I'm understood.
Okay, how about the others?
Yes po. I understand. Yes.
Yes po.
Yes. Yes.
Now get
Yes.
your pen and your paper and then answer this.
Mr. I missed the number 16 and 17. What the answer?
For a while.
Question po.
Here,
Uh,
solve this. Go. Again, mute your microphones. Okay, check your answers. I'll solve. The numbers below form an arithmetic sequence. What is the 13th number? So as what I have discussed earlier, 13th number is just the first term, 101. Now, in this case, your arithmetic sequence is subtracting 4,
So the
right?
common difference, yes. So that means the
Which
common difference is negative.
minus,
Why did I get 56?
so minus n minus 1, that's 13 minus 1 times 4. You can do that. So 101 minus 12 times 4, 101 minus 48. The answer is 53. Very good. All right. We're done with with number theory. Let's have a break. Let's have a 10-minute break. You can eat your snacks, drink water, go to the CR, just be back after 10 minutes. Reminder, do not spam
Yes.
chat box during break time. Again, do not spam in the chat box during break time. Okay, see you after 10 minutes.
Yes. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye.
Bye. See you in a bit.
No, bye. Bye. Guys, remember the last bye. Remember, do not spam. Guys, it was only 10 minutes. Why do you guys keep saying you have like so much money?
For absolutely no reason at all.
What?
I play
They
Geometry
just
Dash.
want to flex. I'm literally laughing right now.
Why is everybody talking about Grow Garden?
And it's why do you guys like to
Right
flex?
now.
Like you guys are lying. I don't know. My money in Go Garden is 4Q Pro.
Are we allowed to talk?
No. I don't know. No. Wow.
ไอ้นี่ยังมันเต็มนะมันเต็มแล้วได้ปะเอาออกนะเอาออกนะตั้นโอเคไหม1 ชั่วโมงโอเคไหมโอเคนะเอ้ยใส่ไว้ดีกว่าตั้นอีกลัวมันเดี๋ยวมันนี่เดี๋ยวมันมีปัญหาเสียบไปดีกว่าแล้วตั้นออกอีได้ไหมแต่น่าออกอีได้ไหมตอนเสร็จอะตั้นดึง
I think it's been more than 10 minutes too.
Let's continue.
Yes. Okay.
Let's do geometry. How many squares are there in the figure below? How many squares are there in the figure below? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we have 12, 13. So you also include the 2 by 2 squares. Next, number 20. A pyramid has 15 vertices. How many edges does this pyramid have? For
Excuse me po,
pyramid,
teacher.
yeah,
Can I see number 19 po?
why? Okay, next. A pyramid has 15 vertices. How many edges does this pyramid have? So for pyramids, the number of edges is equal to the number of faces minus 1 times 2. And the number of vertices is equal to the number of faces. That's for pyramids. So, if your pyramid has 15 vertices, therefore it also has 15 faces. So if you replace this with 15, you will be able to get the number of edges. So the number of edges would be 15 minus 1 times 2. That's 14 times 2, which is 28.
Hey,
So there are
teacher,
20.
can I copy? Can I copy?
You may screenshot para faster.
Yes, I will take a screenshot.
I am recording right now, though.
If I'm using a laptop, how to screenshot?
What?
Next, number 21. The side length of a square is 5. Find the perimeter. So perimeter of squares is just 4 times the side. So if the side is 5, then the perimeter is 20. Very easy. 22. At least how many squares can be seen if observing the figure from the right? So we have from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is the 8th one. So there are 8 squares if we view the figure from the side. How many triangles are there in the figure? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the big one, 7. So there are 7 triangles in this figure. So as you can see, geometry is more on counting, right? Counting and perimeters, areas, ganun yung geometry. Number 24. At most, how many lines can be formed by using 6 points on a plane? Now, if you have 6 points, diba? How many points do you need to have a line? You only need 2 points to have a line. So out of the 6, that's 6 choose 2. So combination formula, that's 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 4 factorial, or that's 6 times 5 times 4, 3, 2, 1, over 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will cancel. So you will be left with 6 times 5 over 2 times 1, or that's 15. Now, if you don't like this solution, then you can just do subtract 6 minus 1, that's 5. And then just do 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. You'll still get the same answer.
Teacher,
Yeah?
can you show me number 23 again? I forgot to make a screenshot of it.
You actually don't need to screenshot this. You can see, man. You can solve on your own. Very easy. There are 7.
Yeah, it's easy.
All right. Let's now proceed to the last category, which is combinatorics. A group of 15 students are taking photos, 2 students at a time. Each student has to take with each of their schoolmates. How many pictures at least are to be taken? So this is just 15 students and you need to choose 2. So you can either solve this or you can do 15 minus 1, which is 14, and then add 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus 11 until 1. So you choose. So for me, I'm more confident with this, comfortable with the combination formula. So that is just 15 factorial over 2 factorial times 13 factorial. That's 15 times 14 times 13 factorial over 2 times 1 times 13 factorial. 13 factorial will cancel, so I will have 15 times 14 over 2, which is 105. Now, if you solve for this will still be 105. Next, number 26. Choose 3 digits without repetition from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to form 3-digit numbers. How many even numbers are there? So 3-digit numbers, you need 3 lines. This is for the hundreds. This is for the tens. And this is for the ones. Now, to make your 3-digit number even, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last digit or the ones digit should be even. Out of the choices, you have 2 numbers that are even. Next, in the hundreds, you can put all of these numbers except the number I put here. So that is just 5 numbers minus 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1. And for the tens, that would be 5 minus 2. That's 4 times 3 times 2. There are 24 numbers that are even. Next, number 27. Choose 6 digits without repetition from 417, so 4, 1, 5, 7, 8, 9 to form 3-digit numbers. What is the least value of the sum of these 3-digit numbers? Okay, so you need to create 2 numbers who will give you the sum, which is the smallest. For you to make the smallest sum, then of course, you need to make the 2 numbers as close, as small as possible, right? So from the problem, from the
Excuse
digit,
me?
yes.
Can you say the answers to each of the questions? Because I needed to check. My mom said.
Can we do that later?
Okay, thanks.
Where was I? Okay. So to make these 2 numbers small as possible, then you need to choose the smallest digit here, which are 1 and 4. So 458 and 479. When you add them, please turn off your microphone When you add them, you will get 637. Take note, you are asked for the least, meaning the smallest. So to have the smallest sum, then these numbers should be as small as possible. Understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
A question.
Yes, what?
Yes, what is it?
Until how many numbers is this?
What?
Until how many numbers?
How many numbers are there in the final round?
We only have 3 more numbers.
30.
There are 30. So 30.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Number 28. In class 3C, there are 31 students. At least how many students' birthday are with the same day of the week? So how many days are there in a week? Just divide that by 7. You have 4, remainder 3. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Always go up. So there are at least 5 students with the same birthday. Very easy. I think you already know this in primary 1 and primary 2.
Yeah. Yes.
Number 29.
Yeah.
Numbers are drawn from 48 integers 1 to 48. At least how many numbers are drawn at random to ensure that there are 2 numbers whose sum is 30? Okay, so in this problem, you remember this formula. The number of draws would be the number of unpaired numbers plus the number of pairs plus 1. First, you need to check how many unpaired numbers are there. For the unpaired numbers, obviously, the numbers from 30 to 48 will not have a pair, right? 30 to 48 will not have a pair. Also, number 15. 15 will also not have a pair. So from 30 to 48, there are 19 numbers. 15 is only 1. So your unpaired numbers would be 20. For the number of pairs, so 1 will be paired with 29, 2 will be paired with 28, 3 will be paired with 27, until 14 will be paired with 16. So therefore, there are 14 pairs. So pairs would be 14. And then plus 1. So 20 plus 14 plus 1, the answer is 35.
Teacher, can you show me 28 again?
Next time, please please screenshot it properly because I cannot undo the writings.
Yes, teacher.
For number 28, this is just 31 divided by 7 since there are 7 days in a week. That's 4, remainder 3. So therefore, you have 5 because you have a remainder. And finally, for number 30, if Andy goes from point B to point A, each step can only move down or move left. How many ways are there? Okay, so this is just like a game. So will be 1, 1, 1. Every intersection from B, straight and here, would be 1. And then, so from here to here, that would be 1 plus 1, which is 2. From here to here, that would be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Here plus here, that's 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 1, this is also 1 here. So this is 2. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 plus 6, that is 11. Therefore, there are 11 ways from point from point B to point A if you can only move down or move left. Very easy. Okay?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes.
All right, now everybody listen. This set of questions is already in your exam Veda account.
Teacher, can you show me number 5 again?
Can you please listen first? This set of questions is already in your account. This is the mock exam for your account. So you can answer this again in your account.
Yes.
I know that you already received your login details. So you try logging in there and try answering these questions on your own. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
For number 5. Number 5, for this one, the difference between the number of circles and arrows would be, you have 1 circle and 0 arrow, so that's 1. Here you have 4 circles and 1 arrow, that's 3. Here you have 5 arrows and 5 circles and 4 arrows, the difference is 1. Here you have 8 circles and 5 arrows, so the difference is 3. As you can see, there is a pattern in the differences, 1, 3, 1, 3. In every odd term or odd group, that would be 1. In every even group, that is 3. Since 115 is odd, then the difference is 1. Very easy.
Teacher.
Okay?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, can you explain one to
Teacher, is number 5 answer
1
3?
to 7? I was late. Can you explain 1 to 7?
Numbers what?
Can you
Teacher,
explain
is
that
number 5
1
answer 3?
again?
I just
Is
said
number
the
5
answer
answer
in
3?
number 5 is 1. 1.
Teacher,
Teacher,
your
Yes.
son is
can you
we can
explain
leave
from
now.
number